Either you're gonna love this or I'm gonna get cancelled. But trust me when I say this, that this place has killer coffee, incredible books, and the dopest community. So I walked into Kitabi Angan thinking I'll just browse a bit and maybe have some coffee, but wo to nahi hua. I picked up a few books, found this super cozy little nook, and just sat there, reading and honestly just existing. It genuinely feels like a modern day Angan जहाँ सब लोग belong करेंगे. There are story sessions, writing circles, thoughtful conversations, and things that bring people together without forcing anything. It all feels very organic, very easy. And there's also a really cute cafe inside that serves good food and really good coffee. And somehow the place just keeps giving you reasons to stay longer. So, this isn't just another new place in the city, it's truly one of its kind.